Assessing the components. The real-world components that gets mounted on the board is represented as a schematic symbol during design capture and as a PCB footprint for board design. Components for your PCB design project can be created in and placed from your company's workspace library or database and file-based libraries. These components are placed through Components panel that uses Altium Designer's advanced component search engine. A new workspace library component is created using the component editor where you can define all component data such as domains model, parameters, part choices, many more. Manually or use data acquired from the manufacturer part search panel. This panel gives you instant and up-to-date access to a powerful component search and aggregation system, detailing millions of components from thousands of manufacturers, each with real-time supply chain information. Many of components are design ready, complete with a symbol and a footprint model. These parts will include the green square icon in the panel. Searching for new parts. You go to location to find new components is the manufacturer parts search panel. To open the manufacturer parts search panel, click the panels button at the bottom right of the application window and select manufacturer parts search from the menu. Panels that are currently visible are marked with a check in the menu. The first time the manufacturer parts search panel is opened, it will display a list of component categories as shown in the image. Utilizing Altium Designer's advanced component search engine, the manufacturer parts search panel can be used in a straightforward search mode by entering a query in the main search field or in its advanced faceted mode by progressively refining the search criteria using categories and filters choices, or by using both capabilities together. To perform a straightforward search, type a search description into the search field at the top of the panel and press enter. An example here, LED green clear 0603 SMD. To perform a faceted search, use the categories and filters to explore potential parts by toggling criteria on and off. For example, first select a category such as LEDs, then filter the LEDs category by the color, packaging, mount, has model, and so on.